Okay, are we all together? Okay, yeah. Yes, Mr. Spande.
As the court, please, my lord, can the witness be reminded that she's still under oath?
Yes, you are still.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ma'am, before we proceed to exhibit JJJ3, let us just revert back to exhibit JJ1 and 2, just to clarify certain aspects. More specific, the annexure A that is attached to exhibit JJ2, where you testified that a SIM swap was done.
Yes.
And you further testified that the phone number belonging to the deceased, Senzo Meyiwa, was inserted into a new device, a Nokia.
Yes.
Okay, my phone number then I move to Senzo Meyiwa for almost right here.
And evidence in this court was that that phone, that Nokia phone, at some stage, a phone number that was linked to David Matebula was once inserted to that particular IMEI number. Do you have a comment on that?
Yes.
So the phone area person go David Matebula. Yeah, far go Leo, Lomakalo Kuku, on Leo, I mean, what here?
Can you proceed now to place the phone number on record?
072 149 3899.
And the number was 072149389.
Are you able to tell from the data that you have in front of you when did the phone number associated with David Matebula as well as that particular device were used together?
You was in Gucci, born a bullet data repair to Gucci. The phone number, Yai Kunmene, no David Matebula, Nadeo, Nadoma Kolokukuni, is as far away as us in the oil.
I don't have the data available for the number ending 3899.
But I'm going to data the phone there, a pillar go 3899.
But from annexure A, are you able to tell that the number ending with 899 as well as the device, the Nokia device,
As per Annexure A, I can confirm that the eyes were related and used, yes.
I think Yabonagana Utileo, I Yaga suggests.
so since we have established that number belonged or was associated to David Matebula, did that number at any stage have any contact with any number associated with Kelly Khumalo.
Njengoba le number ke cha kuyasetshenziswa lapho kuyakubonakala yini ukuthi leyo number ayathintana nenye yezinamba ekuthiwa ezika Kelly Khumalo.
Yes. If we look at exhibit J1 on page 1651, you will find the lower part of that page, 27th October 2014 at 7:32. The number ending 3899 called the number ending 4358, which was on voicemail.
Joke siyabonakala lapha ukuthi ngomhla 27 ku-October 2014 ngo-7:32 le number lena ephelela ngo-3899 yathintana nenumber ewu-4358 eyatholakala iku-voicemail.
That duration lasted 6 seconds.
Bathi ke bathintana imizuzu elingana eyisithupha.
If you move on to page 1653,
masiye esikhasini lika-1653
still on the 27th of October
sekuya nomhla 27 October
at 1608,
1608
the number ending 3899
le number le ephelela ngo-3899
called the number ending 4358,
yathintana nenumber ephela ngo-4358
which was on voicemail.
and yayi ku-voicemail.
That call lasted 7 seconds.
Lapho-ke kwaba imizuzwana eyisikhombisa.
Thereafter, at 17:15,
Futhi-ke ngo-1715
another call was made from the number ending 3899,
yake kwaba nokuthintana-ke kwakukhona ikhole eyayisuka lapha kule number egcina ngo-3899
to the number ending 4358,
eya kule number ephela ngo-4358
which was still on voicemail,
yayiseku-voicemail na futhi
lasted 4 seconds.
futhi kwamizuzwana emine nje vo.
Round about 1722,
Ngesikhathi ka-1722
a similar activity took place.
kwenzeka nje lokho kunjengalokho kwenzekile.
That call lasted 14 seconds.
Lapho-ke kwahlala imizuzwana eyishumi nane.
Thereafter, a few seconds later, at 1722,
Emva kwemizuzwana nje mbalwa ngasikhathi ka-1722
3899
3899
called 4358,
wafonela 4358
which was still on voicemail.
eyiseku-voicemail futhi
That lasted 7
kwaba
seconds.
imizuzwana eyisikhombisa.
Towards the bottom of the page, at 1910,
Ngesikhathi esika-1910
3899
yona le number ephela ngo-3899
called 4358,
yafonela le number egcina ngo-4358
which remained on voicemail,
yayiseku-voicemail futhi
and it lasted 17 seconds.
futhi-ke yabahlala u-17 kwemizuzwana nje 10.
Over to the next page, 1654.
Page 1654
There were two activities at 2125 and
2125 kwakukhona kwenzeka
and 2152.
nango-2152
3899
le number iphela ngo-3899
called 4358,
yafonela u-4358
which was still on voicemail,
yayiseku-voicemail
and those calls lasted 6 and 7 seconds
kwaba imizuzwana
respectively.
eyisithupha nemizuzwana eyisikhombisa.
Thank you. And then, do you have any further comment regarding the seconds that were accumulated as a result of this attempt to call this phone number?
Ngakhona ngaphawula ngale mizuzwana le ebahlala eyathi meyifona lenye yahlala leyo mizuzwana.
Yes, from looking at the duration of those calls, it looks like voicemail messages were left.
Njengoba nje masibheka leyo mizuzwana le kuyakhombisa ukuthi khona ke umlayezo owashiwa efonini ngesikhathi ke ufona engatholakali lo muntu.
And just please on record the total number of these call forwards.
There were 8 calls made.
But eyisishiyagalombili ke amakholo enziwe.
Regarding the number ending with 3899, just want to clear up that we have not really confirmed the source of that phone number.
Yes, that is correct.
Athi ukuthi u-38 number 99 kwayikuphi leyo number hayi akukho okubonakalayo.
Now let us move to a number associated with Khumalo, ending with 2498.
Lona number le kuthiwa kwayiyakheli Khumalo ephelela ngo-2498.
Colonel Stein on Exhibit O has already testified that was the runaway phone.
Yes.
Are you able to tell the court the towers this phone picked in the evening of the 26th of October 2014?
Ayibheka ukuthi maphi amathawa aqhumana nenombolo mhla 26 kusihlwa.
On the evening of 26th October at 17:16,
Ngesikhathi sika-17:16 ngomhla 26 October
the tower parquet was picked up.
yaqhumana nethawa yaseParkhead.
On the following entry at 7:16, 2 seconds later, it was
Emva
parquet.
kwemizuzwana nje emibili kwakuseyiyo le tower yaseParkhead.
If we move on to the next page of 1188,
Meyiwa ekhasini lika-1188
from you would then find GPRS data
yatholakala i-data ye-GPRS lapho.
towards the bottom of the page at 17:26 on the 26th of October.
Mhla 26 October ngesikhathi sika-17:26
We get spread view
sithola itower ethi spread view.
at 18:05. We get an undefined.
Isikhathi sika-18:05 kubonakala lapha ukuthi akuchazekayo.
At 19:16, we get spread view.
Isikhathi ka-1916 sithola i-spread view.
And at 21:52, we get Mololeki.
Isikhathi sika-21:52 kutholakala umleleki.
Are you still fine?
Yes.
Okay. Just lastly on this aspect of towers. Does the phone of the deceased around 1915, number ending with 551, also shows the tower location of spread view around that period?
Yes. From about 7:55,
Isikhathi sika-7:55
On the 26th, 1755, on the 26th of October,
isikhathi se-1755 ngomhla 26 October.
it shows spread view right until the next page of 362 at 21:45.
Ikhombisa i-spread view ukuze kuyofika kwikhasini elilandelayo ngesikhathi ka-21:55.
Lastly, on this aspect, does the number associated with Khumalo ending with 4358 at around that time of 1900 also picks up a location at Spreadview?
Bathi le number ephela ngo-4582 yakhe Khumalo naye ebonakala yini iba se-Spreadview ngaleso sikhathi?
Please give me a second to go through the data. That cell phone from 1407 was on voicemail and there were no towers picked up.
So leyo phone usona ngesikhathi ka-1407 ekubona uSmith awekho ama-tower ayakwazi ukuxhumana nawo.
For the 26th, I'm going through the 27th.
So mhla 26 uyofika mhla 27
There were no towers picked up.
akho ma-tower akwaxhumana nawo.
Okay. And then the number that is associated with the deceased, then Senzo Meyiwa, on the date, can you place the page number from 1900 until the following day,
Certainly.
where you find the location of Spreadview or the tower location of Spreadview?
It's actually from in Spreadview from 7:55 at 1900 hours. There's 18:51 that's still at Spreadview, followed right until 21:45.
Please just place the page number on record of that
My
document.
apologies, 361, 362.
So-ke the number usona ngo-1851 iyabonakala uyizuyofika ku-21:45 iyabonakala ukuthi ibise-Spreadview and ikhasi-ke lapho u-361 no-362.
Thank you. Now let's proceed to exhibit J3. Okay. Just lastly, before you pick away those documents, when does that particular phone belonging to Senzo change location to clinics, Phosphorus clinics?
So le number kaSenzo iyashintshana nekuya e-clinics, e-Phosphorus clinics.
It changes at 21:55. We are on page 362.
So lapha ku-page 362
21:55
to 21:55
on the 26th of October.
mhla 26 October
It reflects clinics.
iyakhombisa lapha ukuthi isiqhumana ne-tower yase-clinics.
And then does it eventually return to Spreadview Tower?
Siyabuyela yini i-tower yase-Spreadview?
No. No.
Bathi cha.
And then on the 27th of October 2014, when does it pick up signal again or tower?
Bathi isikhumane in the tower in 27 October.
On 27th October at 3:20 in the morning, it then picks up Phosphorus Square.
Bathi ngomhla 27 October isikhathi u-3:20 ila ithintana khona ne-Phosphorus Square.
Thereafter, it's undefined until 08:59 on the 27th.
Bathi kusuka lapho ke kuze yofika u-8:59 umhla 27 lapho akukho la kubonakala khona ukuthi kuyaqala.
And then the last time it picked up Phoenix Phosphorus,
Bathi agcinaneni ke ukuthintana ne-clinic sase-Phosphorus
At 22:29 on the 26th of October.
bathi wagcina umhla 26 ku-October isikhathi ko-22:29.
yes, let's proceed to exhibit triple J3. Do you have the document in front of you?
Yes.
On Tuesday, when we adjourned, you were busy placing the IMEI numbers on record.
Yes.
I think we ended on number 8. You can start with number 7, just for the sake of the record.
Number 7 is 3538 1208 0564 860.
Okay, number 7 is 3538 1208 0564 860.
Thereafter, it's 3554 2207 3919 190.
Okay, emva kwalokho ku 3554 2207 3917 190.
3573 5609 7663 010.
Emva kwalokho ku 3573 5609 7663 010.
8677 9004 1508 840.
Emva kwalokho ku 8677 9004 1508 840.
3572 9305 1613 54.
Emva kwalokho ku 3572 9305 1613 504
54.
54. Sorry.
3570 1804 201687.
Landelayo go 3570 201687.
Lastly, 3520 2006 543102.
Egcina ke u 3520 2006 543102.
Thank you. And the document that you just read, was it also signed by the public prosecutor?
Yes.
That is correct.
And then the date?
27th of May 2021.
Yes, and I'm 7 May 2021.
And then was it also signed by the magistrate?
Yes, and now imagine.
Yes.
Diego.
Where was it issued?
The stamp is not very clear on this copy. If you give me a second, I will try and retrieve the area from the stamp. But it was stamped on the 27th of May at 2021.
At the end 27 May 2021,
if I may assist you, on the very same document just above the signature of the magistrate.
Oh yes, Umdujana. No, I don't.
Yeah, but it's the same future.
And then on the last sentence on paragraph 8 of your affidavit, can you also place that information on record?
Yes. My comments is that the call data and the profiles have been supplied as requested. Data has not been attached nor added as an annexure to this manual statement due to the data being voluminous. The cases had to be registered into smaller or shorter periods.
So, data yonke nama-profile wonke alethwe njengoba idatha iceliwe, kodwa-ke akuzange kujobejelelwe la noma kufakwe njengesithasiselo kulesi statement ngoba mkhulu kakhulu. Ama-case wonke lawa namacala ayebhaliswe ngey'khathinyana ezifushane.
Now, let us go to the data, starting with the first cell phone number. Can you place the first cell phone number on record?
The first cell phone number is 071 395 3801.
Cell phone is 071 395 3801.
060.
No, it's fine. Let's pause there. I want to show you an extract from Exhibit DD5B. I just took an extract from that particular exhibit. It looks like this one. My lord, it is an extract from the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Hobbs. It's paragraph number 7.
Okay.
Do you have that extract?
Yes.
Are you able to locate that number on that extract? The one that you just placed on record?
Yawazi ukuthi kule number usalo uyifunda uyawazi usho ukuthi ayilaphi le number.
Yes, it's actually the last highlighted portion, the last number reflecting.
Yo la ukwalethe khona ile number egcina evelayo.
It reflects the name Ntokozisi Sibozonke Mapisa.
So igama elivelayo lapho Mthokozisi Sibozonke Mapisa.
Thank you. Do you have a case ID with data associated to this number?
Yes. 1005 138.
Okay, case number kunyana le nalogo 100513. It's
138.
1005
Then are you now able to show the court the data that you uploaded from the NEMO system at this stage?
I just want to look for the data first before connecting. I do not have the data available. We will have to search for it.
Hayi data anginayo kuzofanele ngiyiseshe.
My lord, the exhibit number is DD5G. And then the next number, number 2.
The cell phone number for number 2 is 060-901-6890.
Number 2, phone number 060-901-6890.
That is under, it's the third entry, Bongani, Sandiso, Ntansi.
Lana ekabongani Sandiso Ntansi.
My lord, that particular date has been accepted in this code as exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1. Are you able to, at this stage, find the case ID associated with this number? Or should I give you some time?
I think we can give me some time to search for them.
Get back to it. Yes, let's go back to exhibit G, triple J3. The third number
076-264-8460.
Okay, number is 076-264-8460.
That is the fourth entry, also Bongani, Sandiso, and Tansi.
But ilokhu kufakwe kwesine usho ukuthi igama libhaliwe la likabongani Sandiso Ntansi.
Number 4 is 073-393-7055.
Landelayo ku 073-393-7055.
That does not appear on the list.
Ayiveli ke kulolu hlobo lenginaso.
just for the sake of the record, my lord, the previous exhibit is exhibit DD5 DD5 from DD5 E Roman figure 2.
Following number is 078-578-6858.
So number landolayo 078-578-6858.
That number also does not reflect on this extract.
Uthi ke kulo loku ngiphethe la le number na ayiveli.
The following number is 073-776-1556.
Number landolayo 073-776-1556. 7761556.
That does not appear on the extract.
Now iveli
060 774 6749.
number 060 774 6749.
That is the second entry, which reflects Muzika Wukulewa September Sabia.
Then I better iqhubeka nomuzika ukhulelwa September Sabia.
079.
Before you get to that number, my lord, that particular set of data is exhibit DD5D, Roman figure 2. Yes, you can proceed.
079 379 0137.
With 379 0137.
That's the first entry, also belonging to Muzika Wulewa September Sabia.
So futhi the number lena ibhaliswe futhi ngomuzika ukhulelwa Sabia.
Number 9.
My lord, it is DD5D, Roman figure 2. Roman figure 1, my apologies, Roman figure 1.
It's DD5D.
That's correct, Roman figure 2.
Okay.
Roman figure 1. Yes, Roman figure 1.
Yeah.
Yes.
082 956 3220. Excuse me.
Number 082 956 3220.
That is the fifth entry.
Yosihlanu le.
That belongs to Mdokozisi Sipozonke Mapisa.
Yena number umthozi Sipozonke Mapisa.
Oh no, sorry. Number 9. My apologies. Mtobisi Prince Mkube.
Try Mtobisi Prince Mkube.
Is it Mube or Mkube? It's MC.
Yes. My apologies.
Mube.
Mkube again Mkube.
That's the exhibit, is exhibit DD5F, Roman figure 2.
Number 10, 072 766 excuse me, 8169.
Number 10 072 766 8169.
That does not appear on the extract.
Ayiveli ke lana kule extract yam.
Are you still fine? Can you take a comfort break?
Maybe a 5-minute break, please.
5 minutes break.
What's your time now?
11:03.
Will you come back at 11:30? It's okay. 11:30. Okay.
Kuyaqhubeka ukuqulwa kwecala likaSenzo Meyiwa enkantolo ephakeme yasePretoria.